Question 28. Henry is thinking about having a water meter. There are the two ways he can pay for the water he uses. Water meter. A charge of £28.20 per year plus 91.22 pence for every cubic metre of water used. 1 cubic metre equals 1,000 litres. Or he can simply have no water meter, and that's just a fixed charge of £107 per year. Now Henry uses an average of 180 litres of water each day. Henry wants to pay as little as possible for the water he uses. Should Henry have a water meter or no water meter? So we know no water meter is very simple, £170 per year. Let's have a look at the water meter. So there's a charge of £28.20 per year plus £91.22 pence for every cubic metre of water used. So we need to work out how many cubic metres of water he uses in a year. So he uses 180 litres of water each day. So in 1 year, that's going to be 180 litres multiplied by 365. So 365 times by 180, or 180 times by 365, is 65,700 litres per year. That's a lot of water. Now we need to work out what this is in cubic meters. So if 1 cubic meter equals 1,000 litres, we need to divide this by 1,000. So 65,700 divided by 1,000 is going to be 65.7 cubic meters per year. So this is how much water he uses a year. Now he uses, well, it cost him 91.22 pence for every cubic metre of water, so we need to multiply that. 91.22 multiplied by 65.7. Now remember, that's in pence. That's 5,993.154 pence. So how much is that in pounds? You need to convert that into pounds. So there's 100 pennies in a pound. So now we need to divide this by 100. So that gives us 59.93. This is pounds. Right. Now don't forget that he has a fixed charge of £28.20. So let's have a look. So we need to add on £28.20. So price for the water meter. Total price for water meter is going to be £59.93. Add a fixed charge of £28.20. To give us a total price of £88.13. So don't forget to answer the question. Henry wants to pay as little as possible for the water he uses. Should Henry have a water meter Well, no water meter is going to be £107. With the water meter, he pays £88.13. So, yes or no, should he have a meter? The answer is yes, he should have a meter. And that's it for question 28. Question 28 is worth 5 marks in total. Let's have a look at where you get those marks. So the first mark is for finding how many litres he uses per year by doing 180 times by 365, which we've got here. So finding out the litres per year. Second mark comes from converting that to cubic meters per year, which is 65.7, which we've got here. The third one is a method mark, also for finding the cost in pence, which is here. The fourth mark is for finding the actual price for having a water meter, which I got 88.13, so £88.13. You could have had anywhere in a range of £87 to £89 to get this mark here. And the fifth and final mark depends on at least one of the method marks for the conclusion that he does or he should have a water meter if he wants to save money. So there's your 5 marks, and that's it for question 28.